Hi guys, in today's video we'll do a few asanas for strengthening of the legs. So wear something comfortable and hop onto the mat. Namaste. Welcome to FitNCalm. This is Tejasvi. So let's begin today's practice. Stand up tall. Make sure the weight is equally distributed between the legs. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. And then slowly open your eyes. Now breathe in, take your arms up, bend back. Breathe out, pushing your arms forward, just bend forward. Now catch the opposite elbow with your palms, rock yourself up and down, just relax your spine, warm up your body. Every time you come down, see if you can go further down. Feel the stretch on the legs. And now slowly interlace your hands behind your legs and then drag it down a little bit. See if you can come closer to your legs a little bit more. Feel the stretch on the calf muscles. Stay there. Keep breathing and then stretch down a little more. And then slowly come up and relax. Now gently place your legs comfortably apart. You can place it up to 3 feet apart. And the right foot is turned outwards 90 degrees. The left foot is a little bit inwards, say 15 degrees. Now raise your hands up. Slide towards the right side and then gently place your right palm on the right leg and slide it down towards the ankle till it is comfortable for you. Look up towards the left hand. The chest is facing the front wall. Make sure your body is in one plane. Look up towards your left hand. Keep breathing. If possible, slide a little down. Catch your ankle. And breathing in, slowly come up and relax. Now twist towards the right side. Join your palms behind your back. You can join the palms, namaste, behind your back. And then breathing out, gently bend forward as much as you can. Bend forward a little bit more. Breathing in, slowly come up. Breathing out, turn front and relax your hands. Relax your right leg, turn it forward. Left foot 90 degrees out, right foot inwards a little bit. Breathing in, raise your hands up and then slide yourself towards the left side. And then place the left palm on the left leg. Slide it towards the left ankle as much as you comfortably can without bending forward like this. So keep your right hand straight up. Look up towards your right hand. If possible, slide your left hand forward, chest is facing towards the front wall. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch on the right side of the body and the compression on the left side of the body. Now breathing in, slowly come up and relax. Twist towards the left side and we'll make Namaste behind. So place your palms wherever you are comfortably able to place. If it's not able to get it up, it's okay. Just keep it down wherever you are comfortable. Just join your palms behind your back. And breathing in, go back. Breathing out, bend forward. First try to get your stomach towards your thighs and then forehead towards the knee. Stay there, feel the stretch. Breathing in, come on. Breathing out, relax. Then again, right foot goes 90 degrees out, left foot inwards. Breathing in, raise your palms up. Now twist towards the right side. Your left hand goes towards the right leg. Right hand is up. Look up. Keep breathing. And gently come up. Turn your right foot forward. Your left foot is 90 degrees, right foot a little inwards. And then make sure your left foot is cutting right foot in half. And then twist towards the left side. Right hand goes towards the left leg. Look towards the left hand. Keep breathing. And then slowly come back to the center. Relax your hands, straighten the foot. And now just widen the legs a little bit more. Whatever is comfortable for you. And then turn your right foot outwards 90 degrees, your left foot a little inwards. Bend your right knee and then raise your arms up. Look towards your right hand. Press the hip down. If possible, get your hip in line with the knee. Press it down. Make sure your your right knee is not crossing the right fingers. And the left knee is straight. Keep breathing. And then now twist towards the right leg. Join your palms up and bend back. Feel the stretch of the legs. Feel the thigh muscles. And slowly relax your arms. Come back. Now place your left hand on the left leg. Right hand goes up. Look up towards the right hand. And come back. Now place the right hand beside your right leg. Left hand goes above your head. Look up towards your left hand. Feel the stretch on the left side of the body. And slowly come up and relax. We'll do it with the left leg. Turn your left foot out 90 degrees, right foot inwards. And then bend your leg. If your knee is crossing the foot, then you can increase the distance between your legs. Try to come down a little more. And now stretch your arms out at shoulder level. Look towards your left hand. Stay there like a strong warrior. Keep breathing. Now twist towards the left side and then join your palms. And then back a little. Your right knee is straight, left knee is bent. Come back. And then now place the right hand on the right leg, slide it down, and then look up towards your left hand. And come up. Place the left hand on the floor beside the left leg. Right hand goes above. Look up towards your right hand. Keep breathing. And come back. Lift up and relax. Straighten the left leg. Point the left foot outwards, right foot also outwards. Now slowly place your hands on your waist. Breathing in, go back. Breathing out, gently bend forward. Stay there. If you can touch the floor, just place your palms on the floor. Just stay there. Now see if you can catch your toes and bend a little bit forward. Breathing in, slowly come up. Relax. Now turn your legs 90 degrees out. Bend your leg and just place your palms beside your right leg. The left knee comes on the floor and relax your leg. Look straight. Now straighten the left knee and then come up, balancing yourself. Take your hands up, stretch up. And down. Once again, stretch up and down. We'll make a circle with your arms. Take your arms back and then up, forward, down, touching the floor, and come back. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. Come down, relax your leg. Relax. Now take your right leg back. Bring your left foot forward. Right knee is on the floor. Stretch it out. Relax your right leg. And then slowly now place the toes of the right foot on the floor. Lift up your knee and slowly come up. Take your hands up and stretch up and down. Once again, stretch up and down. Now slowly take your hands back, take it up, stretch forward and down, up and down. We're making circles with our hands. Keep your balance. 3, 4, 5, last one, and come down. Place the right knee on the floor, stretch up, and relax. Straighten the right knee, gently give the right leg forward and stay there. Try to bend forward a little bit more. Stretch from your hips, bend forward. Now slowly place your hands on the floor. You can bend your knees and place the hands on the floor. Now lift up the right leg, how much ever you can. Lift up. So once you find Balance, bending the left knee. Try to lift up your hands a little. If you can lift up only till here, just lift up and then come down. Otherwise, you can just go up, up, and then straighten the left knee. And come down, relax your leg. Now, lift your left leg up a little, how much ever you can, and then try to lift up your hands. If it's only till here, just be there and come back. Once again, lift up, straighten your arms if possible, straighten the right knee, stretch your left foot out, stay there. And come down, relax your leg, stretch forward, and then slowly come up and relax. Let's do one shoulder rotation, opposite direction, and relax. We'll just close your eyes, take a breath in, breathe out. One more joyful breath in and breathe out with a smile. Slowly join your hands in front of your heart and gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining us. If you like our video, do share, like and subscribe. See you soon. Have a great day. Namaste.